Are you having trouble hooking your garage door opener to your car buttons? If you are, I'm going to show you how to do that today right here on the Everyday Man. So the first thing we need to do is identify the programming button which is on your garage door opener. This particular one is a Genie, and the program button is pretty large and it says PRGM for program, and that's the button we're going to want to use. This is nothing but an antenna wire. There's no power in it that will hurt you. You can touch the bare wire, doesn't matter. This is the antenna that needs to hang out. So if you see this hanging, you need this. That's what picks up the signal from your car or from your garage door opener. Okay, so now that we know where the program button is, let's go take a look at the car. On this car, the program buttons for the remote control are built into the rear view mirror. And the first thing you need to do is reset them. So how you reset it is you press the number 1 and the number 3 button together, and you should see that orange light up there, and hold that for 10 seconds. Now it's starting to flash green. Let go of it. The next thing we want to do is get your remote control out. Now we press it again. We've got the orange flash. We're going to hold this next to it until that turns green. They say it can take up to 60 seconds. There you go. It's turning green. You can let go of this. So you want to press that button. It's green. Okay, we're going to run in. We're going to press the program button on the garage door. Come back out within 30 seconds and press that button again, and it'll be programmed. All right, I pressed the program button. Now let's press it. 2 seconds and let go. And there we go. The car is now programmed to button number 1. Well, that's all there is to it. You saw how easy it was to do. There's only a couple of steps. Number 1 is press the 1 and 3 button to reset the car system. Number 2, you put the remote from the garage door opener next to the car button. Press the car button first, then hold the remote button until the car button light turns green. Once it turns green, you can let go of the remote button, come to the garage, press the programming button. You've got 30 seconds to get back to the car. Press that button again. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. That helps my channel and I would really appreciate it. So go ahead and give this a try. You're going to find it's much easier than you thought it was, because it's okay to use the remote control, but it's a whole lot nicer if you can just press the button that's in your car, right? And with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.